This is a short off-road trial which we took it in Munnar.
जो का लग गया है उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है मैं ऊपर जाऊं नीचे जाऊं दोनों सेम है हाँ वीडियो चल रहा है आ जाओ थोड़ी दूरी है कम ऑन बीत गया हमारा भाई So we experimented some off-road and we thought we'll climb some half distance. Albert and me said 100 times let's not do this, but you see this Joe guy, that guy said that we have to do it. This is easy sir. I saw 100 things kiya hu karke Joe said. So I also thought okay this is going to be easy, but trust me, it's 75 to 80 degrees steep. We almost did a kilometer and we are still trying to figure out a way on how to go down. Oh damn, no way. You should see Albert and Jomon. Albert is experimenting. He looks very positive, but from inside I can hear that he is struggling. Okay, see you. Let me resume this video probably once I reach down
To Jatayu's Edge Center, which is roughly 50 kilometers away from Trivandrum.
Wait, security check-in is happening like an airport. Let me pause the video. They would be checking if Jomon is carrying the bomb or not. Jomon carries bomb. Jomon give that bomb to them. So this is how the entrance looks like. Hey, this looks like a 5-star hotel conference or reception, man. So we are climbing Jatayu Edge Center, and along with me, Joe Albert climbing. It's mentioned there are 826 steps to reach. Look at how steep it is. It says cool. There should be a go before it, so that would make go cool. Go cool. Good morning.
அதாவது வாய்க்கு வந்தபடி எல்லாம் பேசப்படாது எதா இருந்தாலும் நியாயமா பேசணுமா இல்லையா
Okay, resuming back the video. We are sweating here. Almost reached say what 750 steps we would have did. Another 126 more to go. Jomon, do you have anything to say?
Tired.
Do you have anything to say?
Very tired,
but enjoying. Cool.
but nothing is impossible.
Oh man, not again.
Nothing is impossible.
Okay, few more steps to go. We'll go. I'll show you my back camera 1 second. Oh yeah, we almost reached the top of the cliff. We almost reached.
Because this zip line that you see is not working. Anyway, so the reason we did all this walking is to come here. Now what is this? Okay, so this is world's largest stone sculptured eagle, also called as Jatayu. Now there is a story behind this. This Jatayu was called to be a savior of Sita when Ravan came to capture her. Anyway, so what I want to tell you is the walk was worth it. It's amazing if you see this. Those are the claws of that eagle, the wings, and it's all carved on a mountain. Actually carved. And that's how India is. Can you see the eyes? Yeah, those are the eyes. Okay. And just see the view. This is amazing.
Alright, see you later. Bye bye. Worth the walk, worth the adventure. Joe has something to say. Joe is tired. So that's the lift, which is not working, I guess. Yeah. They have a lot. They have 60 theater, which is still work in progress. Oh, now I can see the head of the eagle. Amazing, dude. Or Jatayu. Serene view, trust me. And clouds are like amazing, favoring that serene view. And see, the feather is spread across everywhere. And this is the beauty.
Do you know what? Our bad luck, now this is working. And still they are not allowing us to go in it because they are in the testing phase, it seems. We are asked to go by a walk and now we are climbing down back. Albert and Joe is a bit tired. Honestly, it is worth it, I would say. Had a good time on top. It was fun.